Hello guys, welcome to the TechDayEveryday channel. In today's short video I would like to show you how to fix the issue of losing the time and date on your RadioMaster TX16S radio. So in general the problem is caused by an empty internal RTC battery. The battery voltage should be above 3 volts. You can easily check the battery voltage level, just go to the system menu. Okay, as you can see, in my case the voltage is around 0.6 volts, which means the battery needs to be replaced. Okay, so turn off your radio and next remove both side covers. The next step is to remove the main battery and in my case the additional module. There are 6 screws, 2 on the top and 4 on the back cover. You need to remove all of them. Next, gently remove the back cover. Be careful because there are 2 wires inside, just disconnect them. Here you can see the RTC battery. It's a CR1220 model. Just remove it and install a new one. Okay, now it's time to assemble everything back together. Start with the back cover and remember to reconnect both cables. Screw in all the screws, then reinstall the additional module and of course the main battery. Put both side covers back on. Okay, now turn on the radio and check the battery voltage.
Throttle warning.
As you can see, the voltage is above 3 volts, so the new battery is working correctly. So now just set the time and date in the menu. Okay, that's it, your radio is ready to go. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and a comment. I hope the content was useful for you. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.